Okay, so today's harvest day for the Foxtail Millet. We're sitting in the combine harvester. We've got everything running there. That's the concave speed running at 1500 RPM. There's the millet. Now, you might be wondering why it's still green. That's because there's a lot of weeds in it, and it all got blown over flat. So that's allowed the weeds to come up through the bottom. So it's not ideal, but we've just got to deal with it. So here we go. It's going through the machine. Believe it or not, even though it all fell over, we're still getting quite a lot of grain at the moment, so this here's in the grain bin as it unloads down there. Unloading the grain into the thing. Come forward, Dad. Come forward. Look at it go. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so here we go. We've got the grains drying out of the paddock. So there's that bin there, that bin there, and we already harvested this bin here a couple of days ago, so we've put it into sacks. How we're drying it is with these sparkle blowers. So there's one there and there's another one over there, that yellow thing over there that you can see. So I'm not sure exactly how much grain we've got, but quite a bit. So each one of those bags is about 20 kilos. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, so that's 120 kilos or so there, and probably roughly the same in each of these bins. So not a bad harvest, considering I was worried that we wouldn't get any. Anyway, we'll leave these to dry over the next day or two, and yeah, then we'll have to send it away to be cleaned, because we can't have all of the straw and stuff in there. And as you can see, there's some of the weed seeds there too, but we want the little brown ones. So yeah, we'll get that all cleaned out. Anyway, cheers guys, see you later.